So it means active alarm, not included that any false or fault alarm in your system, only active alarm. Okay? Centralized alarm monitoring system. So only active alarm should be received from CAMS panel.
What is the sample of active alarm?
Active alarm, every time your siren sounds, it means there's a fire. So it means it's an active alarm.
When there's evacuation,
Yes, every evacuation.
meaning
Every time fire alarm panel triggered, it means there's an active alarm. Unless you verify it as a false alarm. You have provided 3 minutes delay,
3 minutes
right?
before we respond. If it is more than 3 minutes,
Yeah.
it will throw
If
signal.
the fire alarm provides us 3 minutes delay, so you have 3 minutes window to verify if that alarm was false or active alarm. Yes. So as long as you didn't verify, don't reset the fire alarm panel unless you verify it as a false alarm. So just in case it's a real alarm, after 3 minutes delay, it will trigger the alarm panel to CAMS panel and it will send signal to MOI directly. So if it's verified as false alarm, so by that time you're allowed to reset the fire alarm panel.
I have a question for this. If there's alarm and we verify and we haven't verified, we have window for 3 minutes. Can I silent the panel? Not reset? Is it allowed? Only silent so that
Yeah, silent, but that you should check also if that alarm output that was given to CAMS panel will continue that delay time. Because sometimes when you silent the sounder, silence, the alarm output will be stopped also. Okay. So you need to take your fire alarm provider if what sequence given is
you can check.
from the fire alarm.
Because what we're doing, if there's alarm,
Silence.
we silent and we verify.
Yes.
But no reset.
No
We
reset.
will
Yes,
just reset
yes.
once it is verified.
Yes.
False or active?
Take note of this.
So 3 minutes windows only. After 3 minutes, it will send signal to CAMS panel, and CAMS panel will send direct signal to MOI and ECC.
Can I ask you?
Yes.
I have seen zone 1, Z1, Z2 somewhere in the panel. What is that? Is that block A, B? Like
For
that?
this one,
No, that is different.
it's not. It's not.
Sanuj,
under-
can you explain?
It's from the fire alarm panel.
That is different.
Nawal, Sanuj can
Yes. From that way, you can check with your fire alarm system provider.
That is different.
If it's fault, it's considered as fault, so it will not send signal to CAMS panel.
So it means only we have 3 minutes. 3 minutes before we have to find out the
Verify.
location.
Yes,
Yes,
you need to move
If
fast.
it's yes, if it's a false alarm, by that time you can reset. So the delay time will be stopped also.
Okay.
Yeah, it's an automatic alarm to central location.
And both some cases we cannot reset within 3 minutes. So what is that kind of cases? What we can do it?
So it will trigger the CAMS panel and it will send directly.
Because some of the places is not easily accessible, like the auditorium and some other places.
Once
So
it's
from that
triggered,
thing, I will not advise anything.
So we can disable the device or
Which device?
the activator device we can disable from the panel. So what will be happen? The signal will be going to the MOA or it will be,
Sometimes we need to disable.
yeah. Some devices it's not really accessible. So that cases how we can maintain. Within 3 minutes we cannot reset the panel because the device is completely dirty and
Okay, for example, transformer room
yeah.
and MB room. We have limited access because of Karama. We need to send letter to Karama if send request. But if we will not disable this pre-action, it will have alarm maybe after every 1 hour or
yeah.
15 minutes. There will be
repeated-
always alarm there in the
repeated
panel,
alarm.
which is very disturbance.
So you mean you will disable the device from
Yeah. We
Certain
can
room-
disable the
certain room
device.
on that alarm output that you give to comms panel.
No, in case of there is any detector is activated, within 3 minutes we cannot reset the device. So we can disable from the panel. If we will disable the device, what will be happen?
It's
The-
not signal that
yeah,
there's
the-
disabled.
The disabled signal will be going to the MOI or
Which device you will disable that?
not accessible, not accessible
that
device.
Not accessible devices.
Yeah.
Smoke detector.
Yes.
It's okay, no problem. You
So we can disable.
Yes. Because fire alarm panel will just give an output from comms. Only alarm output. Disable output. It will only alarm.
But first of all, we need to know about the series of that disabling smoke detector, right? Number like
That
that.
will happen.
Yeah, you can check with the fire alarm.
But that will happen there. If there's fault, civil defense will call us. For
Yeah.
example, it take 1 week, it take 2 weeks.
Yeah.
That there's fault because sometimes it takes weeks.
Yes.
For
For now,
karaman.
for now, fire alarm system only provide the only comms panel will get only fire alarm active only. So any disabled points, fault points, it will not go to comms panel. That's why we ask
Okay.
only alarm output.
Okay.
It doesn't matter you disable all smoke detector, all alarm outputs, no problem. As long you giving only alarm output.
So it means I think the general alarm only giving the signal to the
Yeah,
MOI.
General
Yeah,
output,
yeah,
general.
general alarm.
Yeah, because
General alarm, fire alarm.
on the matrix, it is only for after 180 seconds.
So it will be only from the activated
Activated
Voice.
alarm.
The PA. Once PA is activated, it's automatically throw signal there.
So it is not about the false alarm or the trouble alarm.
No. Only active alarm. Only active fire alarm.
Only the general alarm.
General alarm. So you need to take that sequence for
Okay.
There's already safe.
I think
For now.
I will give you the card.
So once the MOI receive the alarm, fire alarm to comms panel, then comms panel to central station, then central station to any nearby fire alarm fire department, CID or any.
They will be the one to call.
Yes.
Okay. Here, I have one question. They will not verify if it is.
They will call first. But yeah, you provided 2 contact person there. They will call you. It's false. They will verify if it's false alarm or not.
Before calling.
Same time. Yeah, before.
But no, my question is, who's that 2 person?
You need to take from your PRO. Who is the guy they put it there when he applied for MOI?
Matagal visit siya
Matagal Luis.
They will verify there. Maybe they will be surprised. So,
Pwede mo lang sa kanya
So magkakain.
maybe before we can we do that? Before we
Yeah, activate.
activate, I need these 2 guys
Yeah, that is better.
because if something happen, they
Yeah,
will be surprised.
No, once we do the testing,
they will receive call or SMS.
they will call.
Yeah.
They will call to whom? You don't know who's
They
the.
will.
May confirmation ako.
Yeah. It's, I don't know who's the 2 person.
It could be a higher authorities.
Yeah, maybe we activate if something happen.
Yeah, you need to check which the 2 contact person. If you need to change, you need to go to MOI and update that form.
Then better after that we will activate the panel.
Yeah, we will activate the
Only
panel
activate lang.
here only. We can activate. But in the
Once we
MOI,
test, once we do the testing there today, MOI will call to this guy.
Yes.
who's that guy?
We can send the alarm so we can verify who is the one who received messages.
But I don't know if we provide to me and Jeff. But I don't know if they submitted this or not. Because during the testing, I haven't received any message. That's
No,
why.
di pa connected eh.
Connected
No.
siya, kaya lang may confirmation.
Maybe this is tested before. Before it is before civil defense provided the
Yeah, before inspection, it was
yeah,
already
before
connected to
inspection.
MOI.
Oh.
Activated mo, by play mo.
And I haven't received
Pero
any
ngayon,
message there.
pag-check mo, naka-disconnect o naka-connect?
Nakakonect siya. So,
Okay.
kailangan ko lang ulit mag-send yung alarm to verify.
Okay, maybe we will not activate now in the MOI. I need to verify first who's these two guys. Because there will be a problem.
Pero sir, connected na yan. Just in case na magkaroon ng para wala sila na-receive.
Yeah, I know. But who's the two guys? Henry, I need
Teka
to
lang, teka lang.
I need to know.
Ano,